Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to show you how you can send an email to your bookkeeper book and convert the content into a transaction or in transactions. So the important thing to notice here is that in the URL of your book, there's always this ID. It's called the book ID. When you press more and record transactions by email, you will see that this book ID is being used on the email account with the books.bookkeeper.com. You can add a subject line like event expenses, and you can say like 2000 was the expense, and you say like expenses for the event, and you can add an attachment. Let's add a receipt. This is just a sample receipt. Open, send it. You can close this window now. It takes a while because it is interpreted by the bookkeeper agent in the background, the attachment, the email itself. So you can send all kinds of attachments like invoices, bank statements, card statements, and like this, you can, if the bookkeeper agent notices, like in this case, it's just one expense, it will record one transaction. But on bank statements, it will itemize each of the entries, rows in your statement into a transaction, okay? So here's the expense. Let's see if it understood that it's a cash to expenses. Now let's complete that. Cash to expenses. There you go. It's posted. Your balance value will change. And you can see receipt here. So if everything is okay, you can check it. Okay. So this is a simple way to uh, optimize your workflow. Instead of having to download an archive from your emails, you can just forward it to your book and the bookkeeper agent will take care of it. Okay. Well, if you like this video and it's very useful for you, leave a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and happy bookkeeping in 2026.